Has life pranked you and your refrigerator light is out? I'm not laughing. Are you? Let's get her fixed. Alright, first thing we gotta do is get this to fall forward. That works for me. And then somehow let it drop down. That works for me as too. And somehow try to I'm guessing I've tried to get this off. I think it's gonna break if I do it. So we're just gonna have to do it this way. There's the old. There's the new. It's a 40-watt appliance. Let's see if we can get this back in, huh? It's a little hard to get it started, but ooh, there she goes. Make sure she's tight. Whew. And she's done. And then somehow done.